Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the online class, grade 4, the topic Introduction to Computers. I'm your computer teacher, Iftikhar Ahmed, the Spark School. What is a computer? We will talk about. The computer is used for many things and it connects the people globally to interact each other easily. Here we can connect and transfer a data from one place to any other place globally through the computers. What exactly is a computer is? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data through the binary, which is a machine language, and it manipulates data, as I've told you, through the processing. Whatever data we do have, we can transfer. Either they are the videos, audios, whatever. We do have a basic two terms, which are the hardware and the software. Hardware, we can also say it's a machine, like CPU you can see on the screen. We do have a CPU, keyboard, and monitor. If we see here, the computer became the personal computer for different purposes. The desktop and the laptop, which are being made from different manufacturers. The work is same, the PC and the Mac. PC, they are just made by other companies, but we are using the Microsoft Windows, mostly in the Pakistan, but in European, mostly people use the Mac, the Apple. You can see the Apple laptop or a desktop PC. Mac is a different iOS. Not only the computer, but the cell phone, the tablet, the CPU, or the monitor. These are called the servers, which what exactly do? They connect the different computers from globally from one place to another place, like the YouTube, Google, Facebook, etc. It transfers the data from one place to another. For example, we have been watching the YouTube, it directly connects with the server and transfer the data, like uploading or the downloading from one place to another place. Not exactly from the desktop, but we can also send the data throughout the cell phone we're using. Thanks for today's class. This is Iftikhar, I'm the computer teacher. The topic was Introduction to Computers, grade 5. Allah Hafiz.